Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks for tracking insurance reimbursements step by step clearly. To register with QuickBooks for tracking insurance reimbursements, start by visiting the QuickBooks website. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button displayed on the homepage. You will be prompted to choose a plan that fits your business needs. Select the appropriate subscription tier that allows for tracking transactions. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a strong password. Once you've entered your information, click on Create Account or a similar prompt. After successfully creating your account, you'll receive a verification email. Check your email for the verification link and click on it to activate your account. Return to the QuickBooks login page and enter your new credentials. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your business profile. Input your business name, address, phone number, and industry details. Next, you will need to connect your bank account to QuickBooks. Select Banking from the menu and choose Connect Account. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank account to QuickBooks. Once connected, navigate to the Expenses tab to start managing reimbursements. Click on Add Expense to record your insurance reimbursement transactions. Input the necessary details, including the date, amount, and payee information. Categorize the expense as insurance reimbursement or a similar category. Save each entry after reviewing the information for accuracy. Regularly check your reimbursement records to maintain up-to-date tracking. You can also generate reports under the Reports section for reimbursement insights. Explore additional settings for reminders and notifications about pending reimbursements. As you continue to use QuickBooks, regularly update your accounts and reconcile transactions. This process will help you efficiently track and manage your insurance reimbursements with QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.